Hey friends, welcome back. Have you ever thought about where do I get inspiration to create my Power BI report? Or what kind of very nice, interesting, cool looking reports are actually out there? If so, I have two suggestions for you. The first one, if you go to the search engine of your choice and search for Power BI partner showcases, you'll get to a Microsoft Power BI page like this one, and this allows you here to either specify certain keywords to search for, and also regions the report should be, also the industry, and also the departments. And then you can have a look at various options here which have been created by partners of Microsoft Power BI and take a look at their reports. If you go there, for instance, you can view the report, you can tick this option, and then it's inside your browser, the report gets opened, and you can have a look at the report, how it's built. You can interact with it. You can see here, can hover over that, get some insights. You can click on something, and just a second, and you see that the data gets updated accordingly, like that. Okay, so that would be, let's make it bigger here so we can see it on the whole screen. But this would be one specific option which you can choose from if you need some inspiration and see what other people have built. So Power BI partner showcases. The second option which I like to give you here is the data stories from the Power BI community. So if you go to the community and search for data stories gallery, that's what it is. And there you find various reports from other people, what they have built, what they've created. You can also search here for the top kudos or for recently posted ones. And if you click on one of the reports, the same happens. Those reports are built in, so they are embedded in the website, and you can click on it, and then the data gets loaded, and then you can see what they built. And again, you can interact with it. Hover here over the heat map and see what's inside there in the tooltips. So also click on this option or this option just to choose, and you see very nice report, just as an example. And there is a lot more out there for you. So whenever you feel stuck or you don't know what to do, feel free to go to these kinds of resources and get some inspiration. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. If so, please leave the video a like button. And if you have not done so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care, stay safe, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.